In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up goals and alerts using Whatagraph and how they can help you stay on top of your performance without having to juggle between multiple dashboards. This means that you'll learn how to create summary and cell level goals. You'll learn about the 3 different rule types, targets, limits, and ranges, how to activate alerts via Slack or email, best practices for tracking performance across multiple platforms, and tips for staying proactive when pacing and KPI monitoring. If you haven't done so, let's start with the basics. Let's create an overview. And they're, by the way, perfect for tracking performance across your agency or team. And you can use any data source and organize it by client, campaign, account manager, whatever makes sense for you. Just don't forget to select the dimensions, the metrics you're after, and pair it with a source group for more accurate and faster results. Let's say you're reviewing a group of active campaigns and want to track their performance. What we're seeing on the screen is setting a summary level goal for metrics like impressions. So choose a target, something you want to reach or exceed, and here's the magic. Whatagraph can suggest a realistic target for you to reach based on historical data. Just one click and no guesswork, right? The only pro tip from my side is make sure that the goal time frame matches what you have in the calendar of the overview. So if it's a monthly goal, then use this month. Once you're set, you'll see progress updates and know immediately if you're on or off track. I can do the same for metrics like clicks, so I fast forward a little bit and just repeat the same process. But now let's talk budget. Say each campaign has its own spend limit, which is often the case. And what you're seeing now is setting a cell level goal using the limit rule. You know when you're close to overspending, and everything works pretty much like a summary goal, but this is more specific. You'll still get clear tracking updates, status updates, and visual cues just to show if you're on or off track. So in this instance, we can clearly see that 2 of the campaign groups are off track, so we should definitely do something about it. Last but not least, we have range goals. When you're not entirely sure what specific target to set, and perhaps there is an acceptable range for you to choose from, set your minimum and maximum thresholds, and Whatagraph will show exactly where you stand. As always, you'll get clear status updates, but the most important bit is the visualization, and it will show you whether you're within your defined brackets, like in this instance. This works perfectly for CTR, CPC metrics, not just regular numeric metrics like we see on the screen. Find every goal you create here. You can filter, edit, delete them anytime as you wish, and instantly see what's on track, what needs attention, and what's working well. Now here's the proactive bit. Make your goals smarter with alerts. Choose to get updates via email or Slack, either daily or weekly. And it's like having Whatagraph as your performance assistant. So when you need to act quickly and be notified about something, here's where it comes in. And what you're seeing are some alert examples on email and on Slack, and you can directly access the overview from them. So just to close this off, goals and alerts help you track live performance across platforms like Google Ads, Meta, or even Google Sheets without switching platforms. And this is just the beginning of building a more proactive reporting workflow. And we're always going to improve this, so if you have any feedback or questions, please let us know.